I'm going to import this image directly into the canvas. I will press enter so that the layer appears over here. Now I will take the same layer and directly bring it over here so that the image appears over here as a canvas. Now we can click and drag so that we get it in a floating way, and now we can click, drag and release it on this canvas. Let's arrange both these layers in this way. Now you can compare and see that the smart object layer is smaller and it's a full, or you can say the complete image, but on the other side the normal image is actually having some extra pixels which actually lies outside the canvas. So you need to understand what exactly is the difference between a smart object layer and a normal layer. So let's start with the normal layer first. Now this is a normal layer where you can press Ctrl T if the width and height are linked together. You don't need to press any button on the keyboard, and then you can click and drag it down, and we have reduced the size of this image. So this is basically your normal image. Next, let's enable the smart object layer, and we do the same thing. Let's press Ctrl T, and in the same way you just reduce it up to a very smaller level. Again we have to scale it up so that we can see what exactly happens with both the layers. So we can press Ctrl T, and this time I'm gonna increase the size. Now you can see the moment it comes back, you can see it's highly pixelated, and if you press enter you can see that the quality has been affected. Now if we go to the smart object layer and if we press Ctrl T, and now if we scale it up, you can see that the overall quality of this image has been maintained. If we do the same thing again with both the images, and again if we go for Ctrl T and if we increase it, enter, now you can see that the smart object layer actually maintains its quality, detailing of its pixel, but on the other side this layer has lost all the details. So that's the advantage of using any layer in smart object, so that you can scale it down and again you can pull it back to its original size. It will retain its quality, but on the other side any normal layer will not be doing the same thing.